Okay, so we're trying to get to the other side. See, look how long this fence is. We just can't get around it. Look how fast he jumped over. It's amazing.
I need to find something to step up on.
Well, you can try that motorhome over there. Oh no, it's on the other side. Ooh, cactus. Oh, look at all this stuff. We should have lit it on fire. Oh wait, so the property.
Dude, I look at this thing.
Oh,
Look at the horseshoe.
really?
Yeah, look at it.
Let's point it that way.
No one too.
I should have done that about 10 minutes ago. If it wasn't for guys like you, there wouldn't be songs like this. Oh, look at it. Oh,
Look at that thing.
Okay, we're gonna get this up. No.
I should have brought my leather jacket.
Oh, look at the moon. Oh my gosh, the moon! Okay. Brace yourself up.
Oh, hey, look, it's got a handle. Oh.
Wow! I know.
It's a candy cane. It's a horseshoe.
No, it's not.
Yes,
What kind of
it is.
horseshoe looks like that?
It's a demented horseshoe.
Demented, it's a big word.
Demented? What am I supposed to say?
Mixed up.
Nah, that's okay.
Oh, that's dirty.
Yeah, thanks. Oh, that makes a good light effect.
Light on fire.
Oh, where'd my lighter go? Here.
We got a clear view of your butt there.
Where'd my lighter go?
How are you coming?
I don't know, dude. Did we leave it over there?
I didn't touch your lighter.
You didn't?
No.
Well, then we left it over there.
Well, go look at it. No, because we looked there and we took pictures. Check your pictures.
Well, where the hell can it have gone?
Don't use bad language, Missy.
Shit. Goddamn.
You can't say I didn't try. That's not nice. Jesus doesn't like it. My camera's telling me I'm recording right now. I think I'm aware. Oh, she's coming closer. The bad words there. Do you like dirt on fire?
No.
Well, you should be able to. What are you doing?
Putting lighter fluid on it?
Lighter fluid? I didn't know that. You're gonna burn yourself. No, what if it turned out like red, like it does in movies, and you're like a blacksmith? Burn the dirt around it. You can't burn dirt. Oh, that looks so cool.
That was the lighter fluid.
Yeah, just burn like one side so we can pick it up. Ah! Uh-oh, she's hurt. I'm like super zoomed in.
Alright, I got it. Oh, no.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Oh, no. Oh, yes. Come on. Oh! See, look, we dug that out. We're that good. Let that stuff on fire.
There.
Oh, it's like not a horseshoe. It's a candy cane. We paint it like a candy cane? Oh, we should paint it. Alright, well, that was our adventures in Charlotte trying to find a candy.